This is Rosie Sanders, the Apple book. It's kind of Bible for the British apples. If you live in Britain and you have apples, you are interested in apples and have apple trees, this is the book to learn more about the apples. Of course, nowadays you have more varieties of apple. You can buy even apples from the other countries. They're available, Czech Republic apples like Topaz and other things. But because one of our biggest apples from the kids orange red tree that we have, apple tree, naturally fell, and it's a beautiful specimen of it. I just want to show what this book says about that. So we go to the page on that in the book. This is the apple as it looks, and these are the pictures of the apple. Of course, I don't think these round ones are completely similar to what we have here, but actually the profile of the apple as it is drawn is similar to this, so we can talk about that. And it fell in the 1st of October 2015, so that's the day that naturally this apple for this year it has been ripe enough to fall from the tree. The book describes this as a the season is November to January. Season means that is the season you can use it. But the actual time that it is ripe is the early October, according to this book, Rosie Sanders' Apple book, the Book of Apple. And at the same time, we can see that the fruit is written as a fresh is creamy, white, fine textures, firm and juicy. Fruits have a slight Vinous aroma or Vinous aroma. That means they have a slightly, kind of spicy taste, aroma. The cropping is good. If you don't thin it, the fruit has a tendency to be small. Yeah, we don't thin it, but we have some smaller fruits. This is one of the bigger ones. And the cropping is good, and the picking time is early October, according to what is written here. And it is one of the finest flavored dessert apples, and sweet and aromatic, but fruits can be small unless thin. That's exactly what I told. The shape of the fruit is described as conical. That's a very good specimen then, in that sense. The skin is pale greenish yellow, becoming pale yellow, half to almost completely covered with crimson flush, which is more red than crimson at the edges. Yeah, at the edge, you see that. Now at the center. And the stalk is quite stout, small and chubby, firm, big. And everything in that book actually compares to what is written in there. This is a beautiful, big apple. I just want to show you one apple from the ones that we have bought from the shop. And compare the size with this. This is the apple we bought from the shop. It's not the same variety, but it's a kind of compared to this one. You can see what the sizes are. If you look at them carefully, you can hold it. It's almost the size of the paintings in the book, the drawings. Look at that. The apple is really big. This kid's orange red apple is really big. Anyway, that is what the book has to say. Rosie Sanders, the Apple book.